Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech channel. Today we have this module or this joystick, and it's a PS2 controller. I think they call it PS2X controller. It's a wireless controller with this receiver that we plug with our Arduino board. So it is an PS2 controller, not a PS3. PS3 has like an analog button here, but this one is just digital button, give you 1 or 0, not like the other one. It's look very cheap, not stable, and it takes two AAA batteries, and it has on-off switch here, and it has some LEDs here for the power and the mode LED. I don't know what this mode LED stands for. You have this mode button, and then we're gonna see how to wire this with the Arduino, because this is very interesting. And so this one has these pins, but I added my other ones so I can use it with the Arduino directly, and I didn't want to remove these pins, because as you can see it came like a tree because I bought it with another module. I will use it in one of my videos later. So we're gonna see how to wire this with our Arduino board and how to use it. And for the libraries and codes wiring, everything will be in a link right below. Let's proceed to wire this. So here, as you can see, this is how you repair it. This is the top. It has like these lines here, and power, then RX. So this is the top, and here you have one not connected from the right, and the other one is not connected, like the third one not connected from the left. So first let's wire this one, 12, 11. I'm looking at the wiring right now because it confused me. So here we have 12, 11. I'm starting from I hope I'm doing it right. So I'm starting like from here. From here, I'm starting from here. Then we have ground and ground and 3.3 volt. So where is ground? Ground is yellow. Sorry, I don't know why I add a lot of these things. Now they are confusing me. So as I said, the yellow one is the ground, and here it becomes green. At least I should have used it same colors. I'm not very smart. So next, the other one is yellow with the 3.3 volt, and then I have this orangey one, which is with 10, I think, with 10, and then with the other one with 30. The last one is not connected. Don't worry, wiring will be in a link, very simple, and don't mind this, I will use it later. So now this is connected here. Let's see our code. So the library, you know how to install it. It's very simple. Just go to sketch, include library, added.zip library, then you look for the library, just download it. But here we will open an example first. It's called the PS2X library, and there's an example. That's it. Plug our Arduino board, then load to program. Scan is not for this, it's for another project. So it's done uploading. We open our serial monitor. Sorry, I should change this to portrait. Okay, so what this code do actually is look which type your controller is, and here as you can see in the code there are some errors like the controller not found or something. You can learn a lot about this if you visit this website beerporter.info, and then here as you can see in the message shown here, it's a dual shock controller. It's detected. It can detect also Guitar Hero, like a controller using for a Guitar Hero game. So this one is here, and if you press some button it will change. Let me turn it on. As you can see, X just change it. As I press it, there is a vibration. Then there is square. As you can see, the message is not the same one. X just change it. Square just release. Square doesn't show immediately. You have to release it. You have to release so the message can be pressed. So this is one of the function of this module, or as we can say this controller. There are a lot of functions. So X, it shows if I press, and if I let it go, it shows a message again that X just changed it. So this one works for pressing and releasing, but this one just work for releasing, and it depends on the code. This guy just wanted to show all the function you can use. And triangle, if you press it only, it will show a message. And circle also. Then there are this other button, R2, L2, sorry. Then if you press R or L1 or R1, it shows the stick value. Those are the stick values, and I can change them. As long as I'm pressing this L1 or R1, it will shows this stick values. Then also there is the function for the button, but I'm not sure about them, why they use the press hard or not hard, because those are for me just digital buttons, gives 0 or 1. I don't know the pressing what's here for. Maybe it's the duration of the pressing. I don't know, have no idea.
That you are so not. Oh God. Balls.
So as I said, you can take the function if the button is pressed or released, or just by changing state. It's also there are this button, and all these buttons are detected by the Arduino board now, and you can control your robot or something, whatever you want. It's very useful module. You can use it with like a hand robot and moving a robot or something. It will be very nice. Now let's pass the code I prepared. It's not something too much. It's a very simple code. I think I named it this. It's not much of the deal. I just add like the LCD screen, sorry. Shows you select is pressed or start is pressed. Then there is X, square, triangle, circle. This one just take if you press them or not like the variation of the functions there. Then I have, if I press this button, I can change like the up and down, left, right. They are detected as long with their pressing value that I just don't understand. I want to try it here, but I don't get it, neither too, because for me, as I said, those are just digital buttons, and you can press the here to show you like the stick value. It goes from 0 to 255. Let me show you. The value of the two axes. Then triangle, square, X, start, press, select, press. It's a simple, very simple code. I will leave it also in the link below. Nothing much. So I think that's it for this controller. I just want to show you because actually I bought it with a few other things that I want to use later. I bought it for the old things like for $30. Not only this, but it was like this nice USB cable, and then it was a board and other things I forgot, sorry. So that's it for this. If you have any question, you can ask me, or if you have a problem with it, you can ask too. Please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.
Hey, that's pretty good.